My name is Gregory T. Ware, aka Sir G, and I'm here to explain what Math 134 mathematical reasoning is all about. I'll start with the basics. First, the name mathematical reasoning. Don't be intimidated by it. It's really just a fancy way of saying math class. Now, I know a lot of you may be afraid or a little nervous about math. I was like that in school too. I was terrible at math. I failed so many math tests in school, I can't even count. Got that? Count math. Next, time. It's a 3-credit class, which means you'll be in class 3 to 4 hours every week. And you'll do 6 to 9 hours of homework outside of class every week. And the homework is really important. It makes what you learn in class really sink in and stick with you. Third, what you do in class is different from any math class you've ever taken, in a good way. In most math classes, students sit in rows with the teacher up front, explaining problems on the whiteboard. You just see the back of their head and you listen. But in mathematical reasonings, you sit in groups and solve problems together. Research shows that you do better when you actively participate in the learning process instead of just sitting back and listening. You get more engaged. You talk about what you're learning. But don't worry, it's not all on you. Your instructor will be there and can jump in to help when needed. So, if working in a group is so important, that means attendance is critical. You gotta be there. Closed mouths don't get fed. You will learn better. Your classmates will learn better. And you'll all begin to trust each other. Teamwork makes the dream work. I know people can be hesitant to work in groups, but trust me, after the first few minutes, you'll get with it. And the more you do it, the easier it'll be. Plus, there's the side benefit of getting better at working in groups, which is something you'll need to do in most jobs, and actually everywhere in life. And students say they actually enjoy it, that they make friends and get more confident. And like I said earlier, the instructor is there to help. No question is a dumb question. Now, what do you actually learn about? Short answer, math from everyday life. Things like interest rates for loans and credit cards, blood alcohol levels, saving money on groceries, who don't need that? Stuff you are actually using in your everyday life. It'll make you better at using math in your life, and it'll make you feel more confident. So those are the basics. But how do you make sure you succeed in the class? Well, that's in our next video. Check it out.